family, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're basically going over how to understand Forex Factory. So with Forex Factory, what we use this for is for us to basically determine news, right? So let me just go over the folders real quick. The yellow folder means a low impact expected, right? That's what the yellow folder means. The news is going to have a low impact on a specific currency, as you can see right here, JPY. Then you have an orange folder, will let you know it's going to be a medium impact. Then what the red folder means is stay away or be pretty cautious. So you can see GBP had a red folder today. That explains the big movement on some of the pairs. Also, you would notice that there's a time on each one. So this is the time the news is going to be released. The green arrow simply means that, all right, news is happening at this exact time. Now, I want to show you how to filter it. So for me, because I don't trade Chef, CNY, Euro, and I also don't trade housing, I don't need to know news about housing. I need to know news about miscellaneous or sorry, someone's calling me. Let me just. All right, cool. They hanged up. But all right, so we got the gray folder. What the gray folder simply means is that basically it's going to be no impact. There's no impact on a current currency pair. And right here, you open it up. Oh, sorry, click details. You open it up, and you can see what it is. You can see what it means. So as you can see right here, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Meaning, if the actual forecast is greater. If the actual, this right here section is greater than the forecast, is good for the currency. Meaning the currency is going to continue on the trend it's on. It's not going to be affected, right? So what you want to do now is I also want you to take a look at my FX book. This is a next site which you can use basically just to get news. You want to go to economic calendar, all right? When you're at economic calendar, it's the exact same thing. Instead of folders, it lets you know the kind of impact it has. High, low, medium. Here it has more currency pairs. You have more exotics like MXN, the Mexican peso. Okay, let's ignore this. Definitely don't want to use that, broker. Got it. All right, cool. So you have the previous rates, actual rate, and sensuous rates, right? You have the date and the time it's going to be released. Time left, the green tick means it already happened. If there's nothing left, you can see it's by time on this one, which is more cool. It lets you know how far away, instead of giving a time, it is away from actually being activated, right? That current news is being released. So you want to just use these just really to understand what's going to happen that day in the market.